Cooking in Quarantine with Mary. I'm Mary, and today we are making apricot chicken. This chicken recipe only has 4 ingredients. So we are starting with apricot jam. You could use marmalade. I guess you wouldn't call it apricot chicken then, maybe you'd call it marmalade chicken. But you don't have to use apricot preserves. Then we're putting in our Russian salad dressing. You could use Catalina salad dressing. I don't know what other salad dressings you would use, but. And then we have Lipton onion mix. It's a soup mix, it's a dry mix. And then we're gonna put it over the top of our bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. You could use boneless, skinless chicken breasts. This is my mom's recipe that I remember having growing up, and she used chicken thighs with the skin on. So that's what we're using today. But I'm sure boneless, skinless chicken breasts would work too. So we're just gonna mix this all up. We're gonna pour it over the top of our chicken, and then we're gonna stick it in the oven. It's gonna get super yummy. We're gonna have this over rice today, but you could have it over noodles if you wanted to, or with a bunch of roasted vegetables. That would be good too, if you're trying to do the low carb option here. So we're gonna put this in the oven. We'll be back in about a half an hour. Our apricot chicken is all done out of the oven. We're gonna be having it over some rice that I cooked in the Instapot. And we're just gonna dish this up, and then we're gonna put a little bit of the juice here over the top. So I hope you guys like this recipe. Thanks for spending some quality quarantine cooking time with me.